I forgot to start the restart, was already building. So reboot it again, and Carli 6 sudo /build.sh, and we'll start the recording a bit later. I've rebooted. One of the mounted elements here, proc, was still in there, and that's why it stopped. But after reboot, everything just is working again. We hope, right? We saw another message on Discord saying, hey, is this a problem? Possibly missing firmware 4, possibly missing firmware 4, right? No, not a problem at all. I've installed these guys, yay. WD718, so I think it's Western Digital, I don't know, don't recall. Looks like it, but I've installed it, and so nothing happened. No improvements at all. So at some point in time you get lazy and say whatever. That's basically it. It's firmware. Alright, so we're at the keys. This is new since last video. We ensured that we have a pacman on our USB, so we can actually install our browsers, Firefox, Chromium and Falcon. We've taken 3 of them that are actually coming from Arch, right? So yay browser, that's what we typed in, and we made a selection, gave a selection. So Chromium is one. I could have taken Epiphany, but I took Falcon. Firefox could have taken IST Web. No, that's the web and that's the dock. Nitrogen, Plasma browser integration, still all Arch. So extra is ArcoLinux, community is ArcoLinux. Any others? Well, eLinux is one, but nope. Midori, I could have taken Midori, lightweight web browser. So the only thing I have to do if I want to provide users with Midori is going to Carli, etc, calamares, modules, net install browsers, YAML, net install browsers, YAML, and then type Midori. And then you realize I'm not typing it alphabetically, so maybe I should do it alphabetically. And then this one there. Voila. So next time I build the package, it will include Midori. What else? Ooh, Opera is here as well. That's a good one. Let's take someone that's a little bit faster. All right, save. What else? Lightweight, never used NetSurf. Smart, faster web browser, Min. Never heard about Min. NetSurf, Opera, Tor Browser. Okay, have a look, guys. Cute browser. So let's try it out, right? Let's just try it out. Min it's called. What was the other guy? Never heard about. NetSurf. Alphabetically, that's here. So we learned something. That's the fun. Tor Browser, of course, Tor Browser is there. Now, Tor Browser launcher. 58 kilobytes. We have our own Tor browser, that's called this guy, and lots of more megabytes. So this, not sure what this is then. Why not learn, right? Whatever it is, we'll figure it out. Tor browser launcher. Okay, we've created a new Calamares configuration. In the meantime, he's still busy. So we have all the time to make a push. Did we push it already? So more browsers. It has to go to the internet. Okay, I reboot it. All right, let's push to the internet. In the meantime, my gigabytes are out. Let's finish the story with building of a new package. So Carli package build, yeah, that's the one. Number 5. So next time I build it, I'll have more browsers. Okay, they can go, and that's why you make scripts, because you need to delete everything and move everything, and you get tired with all these tedious, repetitive work. That's why we build scripts. There we go. Now I'm building this guy because I want to show you something. All right, so that's online. Super F7. We're gonna launch Carli 6. It's inaccessible. Why? Because it's another day. 23, 24. Okay, the next day. And then we boot up. And we have to check out the permissions. Let's make this a little bit smaller. So what do we need to check out? We need to check several things. We need to check the builds. We've changed 3 lines in here. 3 new lines were posted in here. The 3 schmaltz things. Putting them on my other screen and making this guy bigger. So open with Dolphin, overlay, double click. Let's add configure toolbars, and then here terminal. Then you know that too. Terminal, open terminal, click here, apply, okay, terminal. Okay. Then we want to know ls minus al. Okay, set keyboard please. ls minus al is etc. Everybody is root. Cool. Then cd etc. Again, what's happening with these guys? We have sudoers d, that guy, that line says 750, and I told him to be 750, so that's good. And etc polkit 1, cd polkit 1. We see polkit here, a little bit higher. So that's 755. Okay, so I'm reading read, write, execute, right? 4, 2, 1. Together 6, 7. So 7. So this is 7. This is then 4 and 1, 5 and 4 and 1, 5. I need to be inside polkit 1, and there I'll have a 750. rules DE. Okay, so we have that, that's correct. And we are Polka D. The group should, or the group should be Polka D, and that's correct also. So the ISO, the USB, is correct. Now the question is the target system correct? Later on. Now first off, I'm gonna do F12. F12 does not work. Still a lot to do to get the same thing as we have. Well, we can do an update, but update does not exist. It's a command for us. Sudo pacman -s_yyuu. Do we have internet? We have internet. And look at that. There's a new Carli configuration out in the world. Yes, you say. So that means that the work we've done with the browsers is not in vain. We can test it out immediately. All right, I think I have to shut down my applications here that start automatically. Otherwise we'll be bothered all the time. So install the system. Calamares is the application and the other one is the configuration. I have changed the configuration, all right? Super simple and effective, efficient. Belgian, erase disk, next. And here we have the problem with a hard password. So you know the rules, capital letters, small letters, numbers, that kind of thing. Oh, and has to be twice the same. I don't know why they bother. Okay, twice the same. Next. Look at that. So it's expandable, true, and it gives us a choice. Click, I want all of them. We'll see what they are. No typos in here, just reading over them, because Chromium with double M is not going to be installed. Next, install, and we're off. So the look and the theme and all that, that's still some fun time, but that's not important. The thing is, you should be able to install the operating system. So we have a look like this. Internet, there is no internet, right? There is no real, well, there are browsers, but there is no browser of our list. There is no Firefox, Chromium, anything like that. But there's a lot of software already. It's a full-fledged Plasma. Well, maybe not so full-fledged yet. Lots of things to do, like the Vault. Here's the Vault. He'll complain that there is nothing installed, unable to detect the version, so cryfs needs to be installed. Other things like if you go to Dolphin, lots of tools in Dolphin. And the tools down here, click. You want to have the disk usage statistics. Okay, that's installed, fine. But then more, you want to have a partition editor. Well, that's not installed. So not working out of the box. Gparted. No, we did not install it in Carli, but we did install it on ArcoLinux and stuff like that. So there are still many elements you can add. You also elements in regards to colors and themes and icons and all that. So it's still very Virgin-like. This is what we have afterwards. Just these two, right? And then the cursors. Cursors tend to take a little bit longer, depending how many icons and cursors and themes you have. It's going over all the icons and all the folders in there, and not just the cursors. Not that it has a folder called cursors. No, it's going over all the elements in your system. So that can take a while sometimes. May even crash if it's too much. That's Plasma. All right, configuring locals. We are going through all the modules, right? Unsquashing, and at some point in time here, I think it's 90% here. In ArcoLinux is 80%. It's just how much you do, right? But here is going to install the packages. So 89, 90%. These are all the browsers. Installing 9 packages. We've decided to get all the browsers in. So this means slow internet. Sorry, you have to wait a little bit longer. Slow computer. Well, it needs to be installed, right? So it will take a little bit longer. And then finally, everything downloaded, everything installed. We can restart now. Done. Let's have a look at our system. I need to check again. Well, the first thing I'm gonna check is, can I install like anything really? I was just thinking, what would I install? NeoFetch, that's a good thing. So there should be a command asking me, hey, what's your password, right? You can't just install stuff. And yes, he is asking my password. So if we do not delete gwheel, oh yeah, the difficult password. If we do not delete gwheel, it's all good. Everybody can install everything everywhere, right? So that's gone, the gwheel. I need to remember my very difficult password that Calamaris said I should remember. There you go. We have a NeoFetch installed. So let's check anyway. Well, we know gwheel is gone. That's something, right? But let's go over them. And let's first start with our permissions, maybe. So this is our system. This is our main system. So it makes sense to actually make the toolbar the way we like. Like this. Open toolbar. And then we do cd etc. That's where we need to be, ls-al. That's with a space in between. Like this. So on the model screen, it's still on there. It says sudoers d. This guy needs to be 750. Check. Then the other one is polkit, and polkit is in here. cd polkit 1, and that needs to be also 750. Check. And it has to be from polkit d. Check. All right, so I've just checked these 3 lines. Now there's another line another thing I need to check, and that's I need to check also the Calamaris. Carli, we've made the shell process. Remember, is the shell process working? Is it working, what we've created? So etc Calamaris modules shell process. What did we do? Removed these guys. 3 lines. Okay, let's have a look. Put them over here. Are they gone? Is etc sudoers d the gwheel? Well, we know it's gone, but this guy, we can't enter here, but we can open it up, become su, do, and we go to cd sudoers, right? In there, ls. All right, gwheel is gone. The only thing that's in there is the 10 installer, and the 10 installer, for your information, is coming from Calamaris and contains what we can do. Wheel can do this, right? So wheel can be installing software, sudo, etc. What's also gone, should be gone, is cd. Let's go to etc systemd, and then system, and have a list. what is in here is all good. There is no Getty TTY1 service anymore. And the other one that should be gone is the etc pacman d GNU PG. So I'm looking at the other screen to check out these lines. Are these guys gone? And is it giving us any problem, right? Because installing and removing things, I was thinking about something else. Yeah, there's one thing we forgot to do. Let's see if it's there. This guy. Make init CPO arch ISO configuration. That's also left over from our installation. That's something we could delete as well. So add on the list. Where am I? I am not inside there. So cd backup, cd backup ls. There you are. Nano make init CPU and then arch ISO. So that's something we use during boot up, during installation. It's not from us anymore. It does not need to be there. So we can actually change this line. That's one more. So remove me from etc and then immediately it's straight on etc, right? Sorry. Okay, whoa, attack here. So this can go. I want to remove the make mk and then init and then cpio and then arch iso.conf. Again, let's check. So the root etc. Where are you? This guy. Okay. Oh, it's gone now. It's hidden behind my screen. Make init cpio arch iso.conf. That's something we should get rid as well. Should get rid of. All right. Anything else? So yeah, the root, we could have deleted some stuff in the root if you want that. That's possible too. So that's a good line to start with. And we could remove inside the folder root. We could remove the automated script there. So cd root ls -al. So we have it to just type it over. So it's inside root. You don't want to see that anymore. Automated script.sh. And there could be more things you want to delete. It's just a list of lines to add more. That's okay. I'm just gonna see what's in here. Oh yeah, that's automated script. So it wants to run that, it's not there. So Control X. Let's get the login as well out then. And you open every file and see what you want to keep and what you want to delete. Like this. Check. Oh, nope. Like this. Check. All right. Automated script. Automated script. No typos allowed, otherwise it won't work. And then one other thing that we have, cd etc. Back to there. There is also another folder. This guy. cd init cpio ls. Okay. I don't think we need that one as well. We could remove the init cpio here as well. Well, it's simple to test. Sudo remove -r. Maybe we should type it before we remove it. So it's a directory. It's -r. And it's in etc, and it's called init cpio, and we remove it with an R because it's a directory. Okay, now we can remove it and see if something is happening. Sudo remove, we are already sudo Eric, but this guy, whoa, not that guy. So one up, remove me init cpio -r directory. Okay, sudo reboot. Doesn't know sudo reboot. Sudo reboot. Let's see, everything works. Otherwise it makes no sense to remove that particular folder, but I believe it was a leftover from the installation. Let's see, everything works fine. We're back, and Dolphin. Let's go for this one. -al cd etc, and init cpio is gone from our systems. Where are you? So it's gone, it really is. And this is our own ArcoLinux system, file system etc init cpio. There's empty, so that's okay. When it's needed, probably it's gonna make the directory and work with it, but it can be gone without any further issues at all. I think we've covered them all. The pull kit, GNU mount, root, okay, Arch ISO. Okay, I think we are ready to build another one, because it's we've changed some things, but basically we have a working system that really is going to ask a password this time. Yakuake is not yet installed. I'm so missing, well, it is installed, but the settings and all are not there, so from startup F12 is not working. All our bash RC things, aliases are not there, but updates is not working, but all the rest is. Is Yay installed? We could do that. Oh yeah, we should check out all the browsers. Let's do that in this video as well. That's my fun, my reward. Okay, a bit slow. So we use mirrors to get the proper servers. I know what he's doing, but take your time. I don't care. But I'm gonna check out my internet. Chromium, I know what Chromium is. Falcon, I know what Falcon is. Min, ha! What's min? Okay, that's quite minimal. Search or enter address. ArcoLinux. Okay, an error occurred. Ah, maybe we don't have internet. F12. Is the reason we don't have internet? Oh, we're camping. So that's not the reason. if we can ping, let's take Firefox or something. Enter. Okay, we do have internet. And ArcoLinux is not down. All right. ArcoLinux.info then. Oh, something happened. All right. So whatever it was, a hiccup or something. F12 is not coming up. Damn, this is fast. Get the cheat sheet. All right, got the cheat sheet. 6,900 people downloaded it. This min looks like it's cool. All right. Not much to do, of course. Min is probably minimal. We got a browser anyway. What else? There was another one, NetSurf or something. NetSurf web browser. That's NetSurf. Help. 2019. Show cookies. Full screen, scale view. All right. What's this? Nothing. Can we type in ArcoLinux here? Couldn't resolve hostname. Okay. So the real thing. Resolve this. Enter. He's doing something up here. Okay. There was another one we've installed. The Qt browser. Tor browser. Aha. So when we install that guy, it's going to install the Tor browser as well. So the launcher settings. Download over system, Tor, Tor server, save and exit. Okay, timeout was reached. So that's settings, I suppose. And if we just say Tor browser, it's gonna launch the browser itself. No, it's still not downloaded. So I was correct that the other one is just the settings. And now everything is going to be downloaded. Error starting download. So that's not gonna work. So yay, Tor browser. We installed the old way, but this is not responding. Pacman is not responding. Is that because I deleted a file there? It's not responding. That's something else. Is internet on or not for Pacman? We need to figure that out. Sudo pacman -syyuu. Do you have something? Ah yeah, the difficult password. Okay, that's working. So whatever I did was okay. You always second guess yourself. That's the best way to do it. Don't assume you're doing the right thing. That's the launcher. Don't want the launcher, I want the browser. Then it is with this in between. It is with that in between. Okay. Import keys. Yeah, sure. Always have the problem with importing of the keys. It's always the same thing. It's my damn internet service provider, which blocks me. And I have a solution. And the solution is basically on ArcoLinux, but it's not going to be on ArcoLinux with NetSurf. Oh, now it is. Now it's loading up. So there must be something strange with my my internet, and yeah, these are busy days. Everybody's on the internet, everybody's working at home. We've seen some more breakage from the internet. But this is ridiculous how slow this is. So I want to try out Qt Browser as well. Qt Browser, that one. That's DuckDuckGo, fine. ArcoLinux, click. Acronyms für Gewerben, something else. So going to ArcoLinux info, going to the downloads, to the download apps, Spices application, download the button, because in here it says fix key server. I have a key server problem. Should I do something here? Save file to, enter. Let's have a look. Save file to, downloads, double click. Nope, no double click. So sudo pacman -u is better. Pamac is not installed yet. No double click for me. Oh, the difficult password. There you go. So now I have an application called ArcoLinux Spices, and I can fix my key server error. Key servers with ports have been added to pacman GNU. That's it. That's all I need. Fix for the key servers. And then go back up here. Tor Browser, number 1. Enter, enter. It wants to import a key. Sure, import a key. Still a problem. Key server received, server indicated a failure. Okay. What did change? When we ran this particular thing, what changed is etc pacman d GNU PG. I've changed this one, I think. Yeah, that's correct. So the key servers are in here. You should be able to get out with those ports and get the keys in. I don't know if I've changed something in here. GNU PG. No, not here. Just there. Then I don't know why he's complaining. Should actually import keys. Problem importing key. Well, the only thing I can think about is now this is okay. Get the latest ArcoLinux bash RC. That's nice if I have my own bash RC. Right, so we have the bash RC from ArcoLinux, so I can do updates and upall and all that. And there are things in there like reflector, so I'm better install that one as well. So we have that as well. Boom, done. So still this thing, if I click on there, you get 3 lines more, so that's not gonna help. We don't need to trust the ArcoLinux key, and no, I don't think there's a reason, but this is a virtual machine anyway, so I don't care, and I want to learn. I'm gonna try it and see. But I don't think that's the thing. Maybe we should just need to reboot. This will take a while, so receiving local signing and refreshing keys is gonna take a while. So these guys were already there, so due to the button I clicked here, I installed lots of software, and the bash RC is there. Not sure if I can already do an update. Let's see. So I need to source the new bash RC. This video is getting too long, way too long. Update. So he understands update, but the password is too difficult. and Opal is there. But the repos from ArcoLinux are not there. But let's keep this still a Carli thing, right? Before we change it completely. Pajorcy. So this is our thing. Update the all the typos. The unlock is here. The free is here, and so many more things are here. Update is there. A scale, of course, and everything to extract things. All the extract things. X something, X something, X something. You can extract it, simple. All right, it's still receiving keys, so that's probably the thing. Problems with the VirtualBox or something, I don't know. But the keys are not coming in, that's for sure. Let's try one more time. And it's probably an issue for me being here in Belgium. Maybe it needs a reboot, but it's not important. That's not why this video has been created. So the Tor browser, okay, Qt browser, Opera. We have not opened Opera yet. So that's Opera for you. Internet, we've done that. Midori, you haven't opened Midori yet. This is Midori. Let's go for ArcoLinux.info and see. That's how it's looking here, with a nice little button there. Choose between 16 desktops. Okay, fine. There are spin-offs. What's the spin-off? That's somebody who has the knowledge to make changes to the ArcoLinux BISOs and make their own choices. What Lego blocks would I like to have? I would like to have the bar at the top with a theme that's green, icons that are from X, and with Plank or Latte dock or Cairo dock or anything like it, and choose the Lego pieces and put them together, and you've got your own preferences, your own look, your own style, and that's basically what you can do yourself. Well, first start with ArcoLinux. It's an idea to learn more and more. There's a learning path, and that's the idea. You can end up with your own ISO, and that's what this video is about, Carli. So that's ArcoLinuxISO.com. Customized ArcoLinux ISO. And with that, I end this video. We need to rebuild it. We've changed some things, right? So small things there to remove more stuff, but basically we're good to go. This is how I would like to leave Carli 6. All right, pushing the changes to the internet and testing it out without any further videos. All right, have fun.